Hi there! How are you doing today?
I'm great.
Welcome to Learn English.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the police station.
Oh, the police station. Okay.
Yes, do you know where it is?
Yes, I think I do.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not very far.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can walk. It takes about 10 minutes.
Great. Which way should I go?
Go straight down this road.
Straight down this road?
Yes, that's right.
Do I need to turn anywhere?
Yes, turn left at the traffic light.
Left at the traffic light?
Correct, left at the traffic light.
What do I see after turning left?
You'll see a big park on your right.
A park on my right.
Yes, exactly.
And after the park?
After the park, walk 2 more blocks.
2 blocks?
Yes, 2 short blocks.
What's next after that?
You'll see a white building with a blue roof.
Is that the police station?
Yes, that's the one.
What's near the police station?
There's a post office next to it.
Oh, the post office is next to it.
Yes, right beside it.
Is there a sign for the police station?
Yes, there's a big sign that says police.
Is it easy to see?
Very easy. You can't miss it.
Thank you. I was a little lost.
No problem. Happy to help.
Can I take a bus there?
Yes, but walking is faster.
Which bus goes there?
Bus number 5.
Where is the bus stop?
It's right across the street.
Across the street?
Yes, just in front of the bakery.
Oh, I see the bakery.
Great, that's the bus stop.
Does the bus stop near the police station?
Yes, it stops right in front of it.
That's perfect.
Yes, it's very convenient.
How much is the bus fare?
It's only $1.
Do I pay the driver?
Yes, pay the driver when you get on.
Do I need exact change?
Yes, it's better to have exact change.
Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome.
What time does the bus come?
Every 10 minutes.
That's good.
Yes, you won't wait long.
Is it safe to walk there at night?
It's safe, but better in the daytime.
Okay, I'll go now.
All right, have a nice walk.
Are there any restaurants near the police station?
Yes, there's one across the street.
What kind of food is there?
It's a small cafe with snacks and coffee.
Nice. Maybe I'll go there after.
Good idea.
Is the police station open now?
Yes, it's open 24 hours.
Oh, always open.
Yes, always open.
Can I ask for help there?
Of course, that's what they're there for.
Are the police officers friendly?
Yes, very friendly and helpful.
I feel better now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Is there a phone number for the police?
Yes, dial 100.
Just 100?
Yes, easy to remember.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome anytime.
How long have you lived here?
About 5 years.
So you know the area well.
Yes, pretty well.
Do you go to the police station often?
Not really, only once to report something.
Was it easy to find?
Yes, very easy.
Are there many signs on the way?
Yes, there are direction signs.
That helps a lot.
Yes, it does.
Are there any landmarks nearby?
Yes, there's a big clock tower near it.
Oh, a clock tower.
Yes, you'll see it from far away.
Great landmark.
Exactly.
What color is the police station?
It's white and blue.
Easy to spot.
Yes, it stands out.
Is there parking nearby?
Yes, there's a parking lot beside it.
Free parking?
Yes, for visitors.
That's good to know.
Yes, very convenient.
Can I use Google Maps?
Sure, type Central Police Station.
Will it show directions?
Yes, step by step.
Perfect.
Technology makes it easy.
Do you use Google Maps too?
Yes, all the time.
It's really helpful.
Definitely.
Is there a shortcut?
Yes, through the park.
Through the park?
Yes, just follow the path.
Is it safe?
Yes, during the day it's safe.
Good, I'll go that way.
Okay, that's faster.
How long does it take that way?
About 7 minutes.
Even better.
Yes, quicker and nice scenery.
Are there benches in the park?
Yes, many benches.
I can rest if I get tired.
Exactly.
Is there a fountain there?
Yes, in the middle of the park.
Nice. I love fountains.
Me too.
After the park, I go left, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Then walk 2 blocks?
Yes, 2 short blocks.
Then I'll see the police station.
Yes, on your left side.
Got it.
Great job.
Can I ask the guard if I'm not sure?
Yes, the guard can help.
Do they speak English?
A little, yes.
That's good.
Yes, don't worry.
Are there many people around there?
Yes, it's a busy area.
So it's safe.
Yes, very safe.
Can I take photos there?
Not inside, but outside, yes.
Okay, outside only?
Correct.
Thank you for all the directions.
My pleasure.
You explain very clearly.
Thank you. I try my best.
I think I can find it now.
I'm sure you can.
I'll start walking now.
Great. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. What's your name?
I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
Maybe I'll see you again.
Maybe. That would be nice.
Thank you once again.
You're very welcome.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Emma.
Have a nice day.
You too.
I'll remember your directions.
Good. You'll get there easily.
I feel confident now.
That's great to hear.
Goodbye, and thanks again.
Goodbye. Take care.